Okay, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this is not like a museum piece by any means. It is something that you wanna go have some fun in and not afraid to get some scuffs and scratches on it. Looking at this wheel, you can see some of the paint is chipping away. A couple chips here and there. Tires look like they're in good condition, lots of tread left. Now this paint has a matte finish to it. It's not glossy. So you're gonna have your flaws down here, chips and scuffs throughout. There's a lot of stuff kind of stuck on the paint. You can see all of that texture. Chips here. You can see some stains in it from water. Got your typical cracks and a little bit of rust. That mirror looks good. The trim here is all dry rotted. You have your cracks. Here on the door, typical stains, scuffs, scratches. You can see the door is not aligned properly. You have a big gap here, but it is shut completely. Looking at this wheel, some paint chipping in there. For the most part, looks good. Looking at the front end here, you can see the letter here is broke off. Little scuffs and scratches, dirt in between. You see some paint chipping here. Little chips, little corrosion. Got some moisture in that light. This one's really cloudy. Same with that one. Overall, that looks good. Grill looks good. And then looking at the engine bay, we'll kind of get up close here, scan through all of this. Here on the driver's side, you're going to see typical little scuffs and scratches. Some little spider cracking in here. Got your typical wear on the wheel, little scuffs and scratches, chips. Got the stains running down the door. Got a crack here. Typical scuffs and scratches there. Then here on the back, overall that looks good. Got the step here. And then looking back here, there are stains throughout the carpet. You're gonna have stains on the seats. See the rips right there. Same here. And you're gonna see stains on that seat as well. Headliner is sagging. Overall, all of this looks really nice. All right, here on this door panel, you can see this is ripped and fraying. Looks like the trim is missing here. Little scuffs and scratches. Overall, that looks good. This seat actually looks really nice. A couple stains. Overall, it's in really good condition. Here on the driver's side panel, for the most part, it looks really good. You're gonna have your wear on the seat, typical stains. Looking at the steering wheel, the emblem looks awesome. For the most part, it is really clean around the edges here. You can see some rips in that foam. A couple chips on that console. Got the stains up here. You see the liner kind of separating. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now you're gonna have your typical rattles. So far it shifts really good. Brakes are a little mushy. The steering wheel's a little crooked. fourth, third,